Hello, I'm Christine Storm with Caron's Education Alliance, a department at Caron dedicated to substance use prevention and early intervention services for youth, kindergarten through college. In an effort to make it easier for parents and professionals to find and access our resources, we recently developed an online kit that contains a lot of helpful information that we hope you'll check out and share with others. This kit contains 6 different sections. The first tells you more about the Education Alliance and programs we offer to youth, parents, and professionals, including in-person and virtual K-12 programs, as well as college and university campus engagement efforts. Our virtual learning section provides information about free online courses, webinars, and youth support groups that are especially helpful in this world of social distancing. Next, our multimedia section includes links to the Parent to Parent podcast series, our YouTube channel, ways to engage with our content on social media, educational blogs, and printed material. Remaining sections provide support for families looking for treatment options for their children and teens, and recovery support for the whole family. Finally, this kit allows individuals to sign up to receive our monthly e-blasts and announcements about training opportunities. We invite you to share this link with fellow professionals, as well as parents and families you work with. Include the link in your own resources and check back regularly to see new material that has been added. Thanks for engaging with Caron's Education Alliance and being a valued partner in our goal to prevent young people from developing substance use disorders.